So welcome back to my channel. As you know, I'm very much interested in comic book and ऐसा नहीं है कि मुझे comic book में अभी इंटरेस्ट आया. बचपन में आई यूज टू कलेक्ट दिस कॉमिक बुक जो मैं रद्दी वाला और स्टेशन पे जो रेलवे स्टेशन पे जो बुक स्टॉल रहता है उधर से कलेक्ट करता था. ये तभी 10-15 रुपए के आते थे एंड दो यूज टू बी माई ओनली सोर्स मटेरियल क्योंकि तभी इंटरनेट नहीं था. एंड 1 year ago I came across this artist नेम डैनियल वॉरेन जॉनसन जिन्होंने ये मर्डर फैल्कन बुक बनाया है एंड इसमें स्टफ ड्रॉ किया है एंड उन्होंने लिखा भी है ये बुक. एंड आई रियली लव हिज स्टाइल, द वे ही डिज़ाइन हिज कैरेक्टर, द वे ही टेल हिज स्टोरी एंड आई डिसाइडेड दैट आई विल क्रिएट माई ओन कॉमिक बुक. And he creates this very whimsical designs, very playful designs, and you can see his playfulness and that whimsicalness in these comic book panels. You also really enjoys those designs and you can see that he work really hard but he is also having fun with his designs and storyline, and that's what I want to aim for. It is not like I'm gonna achieve that because this is just my first page, but I want to aim for that playfulness and catching that whimsicalness in my designs and comic book characters. It is not like there is not going to be a violence or something like that, but if you compare these designs with more like a Batman or Punisher designs, the Batman and Punisher designs look more serious designs and like more for mature audience. And he also creates comic book for mature audience, but he still has that whimsicalness in his character and his comic book paneling. And this is where you can see his strength. He is telling very intricate story. He is putting his character through very much harsh scenario many times, but while doing that he is keeping overall tone of the comic book very whimsical and playful. It is like you can just take that comic book and start reading. It is not like you have to put very much psychological factor into it, and I just really love that thing about him. Also, he also draws inspiration from manga as well as classic comic book. If you can see in many panels where his character character throw a punch, you can really see the impact of that punch. What happens is most of the American comic book artists focuses on a gesture and it looks like their character is throwing a punch, but when someone is getting punched, you can't really feel that impact which you can feel in Japanese manga. So he also draws inspiration from that only, so जिससे उसका कॉमिक बुक पेज काफ़ी डायनामिक हो जाता है. वो चीज़ों से भी मैं कुछ एलिमेंट्स ड्रॉ कर रहा है. स्पेशली जब भी मैंने ये टायर्स थे ये स्केटबोर्ड के इंक के, तभी मैंने वो मोशन ऐड करने का ट्राई किया. आई एम नॉट वेरी गुड एट इट, सो आई एम जस्ट पुटिंग सम एलिमेंट्स फ्रॉम दैट, एंड आई होप सो while doing this process I will get little bit better of it as compared to now. So let me give you short or brief background कि ये एनवायरनमेंट क्या है एंड किधर इस्टेब्लिश हुआ है, ये सब सेटिंग्स क्या है इसका. सो ये प्योर इमेजिनेटिव सिटी है जहाँ पे एक्चुअल वो सिटी है वो वर्टिकली 3 क्लास में डिवाइडेड है, पुअर क्लास, मिडिल क्लास एंड अपर क्लास. उसमें जो पुअर क्लास है वो सबसे नीचे रहता है, फिर मिडिल क्लास रहता है और अपर क्लास ऊपर टॉवर्स में वगैरह रहता है. सो अपर क्लास है वो कुछ एक्सपेरिमेंट्स रन करता है, बायोलॉजिकल एक्सपेरिमेंट्स करने के लिए एक्सपेरिमेंट्स रन करता है एंड उसका जो वेस्टेज है वो ऐसे ही गटर में छोड़ देता है. तो उसके वजह से पुअर क्लास एंड मिडिल क्लास में कुछ म्यूटेशंस दिखना चालू हो जाते हैं, स्पेशली पुअर क्लास में गटर्स के नज़दीक रहते हैं. तो उसमें क्या है कि इसमें आपका पूरा कॉन्शियसनेस म्यूटेशन के बाद इरेज नहीं होता. कुछ चीज़ें आपके सबकॉन्शियसली आपका ब्रेन रिमेंबर करता है, स्पेशली अगर आप कोई स्किल्ड वर्कर हो तो आपके म्यूटेशन भी वैसा होगा डिपेंडिंग अपॉन योर वर्क. सो आई गेस वहाँ पर मैं whimsical नेचर अचीव कर पाऊँगा. आई कैन क्रिएट दिस zombie like mutated character with chainsaws and hammers and all those stuff. जो ऐसा मर्डर फैल्कन में है वैसा whimsical डिज़ाइंस करने का अपॉर्चुनिटी मुझे मिल जाएगा बिकॉज ऑफ दिस एस्टेब्लिशमेंट, एंड दैट विल लीड टू सम कूल डिज़ाइंस. एंड इसमें मैं animals भी mutate कर सकता हूँ, they are merged with different kind of objects, and that will also create some different shape languages for the character. So basically this was his background. I haven't decided full story arc कि उसके साथ आगे क्या क्या होगा. I'm just working on it, exploring little bit that what can I do with him, like how can I put him into a different kind of scenarios where he's really challenged or his existence is really challenged in that term. So there is a little work that needs to be done on that part. Right now I am not thinking that much about that thing because I am only focusing on creating these 3 pages to get a little bit warm up in that sense. And this is taking too much time, even though I am thinking about 3 pages and even I am working on this 1 page right now. This is taking too much time than I am expected. Because I'm also working on some other designs and daily practices. I have to manage that stuff also. So I'm thinking that I will get these 3 pages done as much as I can, as fast as I can, but that's not happening. This is gonna take too much time, but because I am committed to that, no matter what happens, I will still do these 3 pages and 1 cover page for this. And if you are wondering which kind of pen I am using brush pen. This is from Pentel brush pen. I think the model number is XL2FL brush pen, and I really love this brush pen because you can really work fast with it, and this can provide you really thin to thick lines depending upon how much pressure you apply on it, and this create a beautiful line style or line language, you can say. And thanks for watching video. If you really like it, consider subscribing to this channel. That really helps me or motivate me to do more such kind of things. Thank you. Peace.